Regulatory signs. These signs tell you what you must or must not do. Stop.
Come to a complete stop, then proceed when safe. Yield. Let others go first. No entry. Entry not allowed. Speed limit. Maximum speed allowed. For example, 50 kilometers per hour.
No parking. Do not park your vehicle here. No U-turn. U-turns are not allowed. No littering. No horn. Warning signs. These signs alert drivers of potential dangers. Sharp turn ahead. Be ready for a sharp curve. Pedestrians crossing. Pedestrians may be crossing. Slow down. Animal crossing. Animals may cross the road. Slippery road. Road may be slippery. Drive carefully. General danger. Be cautious. Road work. Construction ahead. Guide signs. Hospital ahead. Fuel station ahead. Rest area ahead. One way. Traffic only goes in one direction. Public toilets. Bus stop.